Welcome to STA-B exam forum. Student, your DRDO admin and lad exam is now over, and the exam was very easy to the moderate one, and now students are very curious to know about the skill test. Okay, so on the same line we have received a few questions on skill test. Okay, more specifically to admin assistant and store assistant. Okay, so I thought to make a video on that. So in this video we are going to answer 10 FAQs in within 10 minutes. Okay, so let's see the question without wasting any time. So the first question that can come in your mind is, when will be skill test or type test conducted? Okay, so student, as you know, just now your CBT exam has over. Okay, so after few days, or it can be more than 20 days. Okay, so your result will come. Okay, so your CBT result will come after 20 days that we can expect. So after 15 to 20 days, okay, I am writing maximum one. Okay, so you can have your type test. Okay, so you can have your type test. So you can expect on average you have only 30 days left. Okay, you have only 30 days left. So student, so within 30 days you can expect your typing test. So if you are new to typing, just start practicing, and if you are already having typing experience, you can enhance your skill or improve your accuracy. Okay, let's see the next question. Where will be skill test or typing test conducted? Student, generally DRDO will try to give your center as closest to your location which you have filled in the application, but it can be conducted anywhere in India. Okay, it can be conducted anywhere in India. For technician, I have seen center are in different state altogether. Okay, so be prepared, it can be anywhere in India. Okay, let's see the next question. How will be skill test conducted? Okay, is it typewriter or computer? Student, nowadays in all the competitive exam for typing test, it is generally taken on computer. Okay, this is your answer. Okay, nowadays typewriter is obsolete, but these typewriter are very good for your typing skill. Okay, let's see the next question. So coming to the fourth FAQs, which software will be used during skill test or typing test? Okay, so student, this software is not specific. So generally student are saying that they can either take in Word, okay, but I don't think so they will take in Word, or they can use some specific software. Okay, specific software which their organization may develop, plus there will be timer in it. Okay, so there will be some application, okay, like this. Okay, you need to type it here and there will be timer running around us. Okay, so software we don't know what they are going to use. Okay, but one thing I can tell you, you can use this typing master. You must have heard this typing master software for enhancing your typing skills. Okay, you can check your accuracy, how you are typing, that you can look in this typing master software. But this software is generally not used by the organization for testing your typing skill. Okay, let's see the next question. How many pages should we type and in how much time? This is very important question, student. How many pages? Student, again this is not a fixed one. So based on our expectation, it could be one passage. It could be one passage around 300 to 400 words. Around 300 to 400 words. Okay. Okay, this is not a fixed one, but based on our analysis, based on our expectation, we are telling you. Okay, 300 to 400 words. And in how much time, student? It is mentioned in the advertisement, it will be 10 minutes. Okay, so you will have to type this matter in 10 minutes only. Okay, So you should not be nervous while typing during the exam, that is for sure. Okay, just prepare mentally for this typing test. Okay, so let's see the next question. Question number 6. Is backspace allowed during typing? Student, yes, backspace is allowed until and unless you does not press enter. Okay, so backspace is allowed. Or if now they have changed whether backspace is allowed, that we don't know, but generally backspace are allowed. Okay, let's see the next question. What is the speed required? Okay, so student, this question is very important. Okay, so again I will make a table for you. So this is for admin assistant, and this is for store assistant. Okay, and I will make a quadrant. This is for English and this is for Hindi. Okay, so for admin assistant, what they are saying is 35 words per minute. Okay, as you know, it corresponds to 10,500 kdph, key depression per hour. Okay, so just focus on this 35 words per minute. And for store, again it is 35 words per minute. For English it is 35 words per minute. Okay, for Hindi it is 5 less, it is 30 word per minute. Okay, and for store again it is 30 word per minute. And for key depression it is 9,000 student, 9,000 key depression per hour. Okay, which corresponds to nothing but your 30 word per minute. Okay, so if you are going for the English, be prepared with 35 words per minute. If you are going for Hindi, you can prepare for 30 words per minute. Okay, so let's see the next question. What is the accuracy? This is very important. Again, accuracy is very important in typing, student. Generally people says that if you are having less speed but your accuracy is good, they can shortlist you. Okay, so there is a trade-off between speed and accuracy. Okay, there is a trade-off between speed and accuracy. Okay, so what should be the accuracy? There is no fixed guideline for that. Okay, so and it also varies from center to center and software to software, but generally above 95 it is considered very good accuracy. Okay, above 90% it is considered very good accuracy. Okay, coming to the next question. Is it mandatory to give skill test? Yes, it is mandatory. Okay, so if you give your skill test or typing test, then only they can refer to the final merit rate. Okay, otherwise they will reject you. Okay, so this skill test is very mandatory to give. Okay, let's see the next question. Does final merit based on skill or type test alone? No. Okay, so your final merit would be based on your CBT 1 plus your type test. Okay, so after that a merit list will be made, and based on that merit list your selection would be made. Okay, so that's all, students. So I think we have covered within 10 minutes, and thank you for watching. And if you have anything to say, you can write in our comment box. Thank you and have a nice day.